As a U.S. manufacturer, I don't think we have any choice but to change. I don't think we can do it the way we've done it for the last 55 years and expect we're going to remain a U.S. manufacturer. There's too much global competition.
What we're looking for is to reduce our scrap and to basically know how to go about implementation of LeanSigma.
How can we get the employees involved in solving some of the problems?
I think our company should adopt lean principles because it's time to change, instead of waiting for our competition to do it and run us over.
The workshop really is a first step. This is directed at groups that really have not done LeanSigma together, to really learn about LeanSigma and the transformation that you go through for the next 3 to 5 years, so you can take it back and start something within your company. How can we start using Kaizen to implement Sigma?
The major objectives for the attendees would end up being to create a roadmap that they can begin to implement inside of their organization.
So let's talk about the cookie factory. We're going to go through and you're all going to participate, and it's going to be traditional process manufacturing.
What we're trying to do through the whole play of the simulation is to ingrain a lot of the elements of a process industry environment in the simulation.
Each day is 4 minutes. Our customer is going to yell. The value of the simulation is that people get to play a game and look from the outside in, and they don't take it personally. Ready, get set, go.
Not listening.
Supervisor, what do you need, a carton or a box?
I need a box of grape stars.
Oh, great.
Okay, the customer is getting more unhappy by the day.
It absolutely mirrored some of the things that we go through on a day-to-day basis within a half hour.
Oh, day one is over. Did we hit our order?
I'm missing a grape box part. One grape box part. Yes.
I was shipping manager and very disorganized on getting the orders in.
Is that all of it, or is it none?
When you ship out all you have of your inventory, you obviously have nothing to ship out. It's a little frustrating telling the customer that you don't have it.
Ceasefire! We're at the end of day 5.
Day 2, they missed part of the order. Day 3, part of the order. Day 4, I received the raw goods on top of it.
Any quick ideas, any brainstorming on streamlining the process?
Yeah, what happened?
Eliminating some paperwork?
I felt like I was working constantly, and the guy over here was just sitting there and waiting for me to work.
Your challenge is to try to think about a paperless pull mechanism so that we can closely tie what they're producing to what's being sold.
I've already started to think about things back at home and how I could do things differently. There are definitely some areas where we can use these tools, and that's why I'm here.
I like the kind of combination of theory and practical. A lot of concepts that I'm learning that I can definitely take back to my operations.
Not knowing anything about Six Sigma or Kaizen or anything, it's neat to come and see how this can work.
When you are ready to start ordering, let us know and we'll start producing.
All right.
We've all seen it. We have the quality people here, and even me from a software side have seen issues with our process, and we can obviously improve on them, and it seems like what they've showed us all applies to our process.
I've learned that you can take a lot of the move time out and actually get a better flow through this process, and we're keeping up with customer demand right now.
What you take out of this workshop is all of the fundamentals of quality, cost, delivery, and how much potential you have in your organization.
I would expect that the participants that come to the course to really learn how to take the tools, the methodology, and the whole transformation process and apply it to their organization so that they could be more effective competitors in their marketplace.